Yeah.
Then I have another thought, and it's the one that, like, there's this huge critics that we are all consumerists people, and somehow that's already shit. But on the other hand, I think it even got worse since we got those whole digital media, that we are not only consumers, we are also all the time producers. So when I come to Venice, which is a huge symbol where everybody should have been there, and tell the people at home that I've done that, my only thought is that I make some pictures, for example at the Markusplatz, and that I can show it at home. But in that moment where I'm already thinking about how I will stage my being in Venice, I'm not able at all to actually be in Venice. Like, to be honest, I didn't see the Markusplatz. I just made pretty pictures and selfies to show my peer group at home and to demonstrate that I'm a global person and that I've been everywhere in the world, but actually I've been nowhere. And yeah, that's sad too. So I'm kind of lost in this place. Yeah, so maybe I just throw my iPhone away. Yeah, you know that I would never do that. So maybe I'm never ever gonna be able anymore to really just be at a place for real. And maybe I could rewind the time and kick all those media digital things away, so I could actually be a stranger, a pilgrim that has the longing for the foreign places, that I can walk around and not know where I am. But right now I always know where I am. I mean, Google Maps is actually brilliant because I cannot get lost. So I always feel safe in the whole world. So, but how can I build my character if I always know who I am and where I am? So, yeah.